Hi, I'm Tony Ratliff. How does a blonde baton twirler go from the football field to overseeing a large healthcare organization? My success and yours involves academics, degrees, IQ, and other hard skills. But our success of getting into an organization, getting ahead, and rising above the rest also requires a lot of people skills, EQ, the soft skills. You'll gain these by taking this course. I like to say hard skills may get you in the door, but soft skills will keep you there. I know this because it's been my experience. I operationalize personality tests to better understand ourselves and others. By teaching their value to students to get into an organization upon graduation, by growing talented employees to get ahead and manage a team of people, and by promoting those even higher to rise above the rest who really nail the hard and the soft skills. Being able to communicate according to how others frame the world instead of how you do is the key. EQ is defined as the emotional equivalent of an IQ, or the individual skill level at reading, understanding, and empathizing, but with the emotions of others. All of us have known people who are very empathetic and easy to talk to. These people have a high EQ. We have also met people who are clueless when it comes to other people's emotional preferences. These people would be considered to have a low EQ. Studies have shown that people with a high EQ have greater mental health, job performance, and leadership skills. So knowing how to communicate when interviewing with types different than yourself can make a difference in getting hired. Knowing how to work in a team or lead a team of various types is powerful. Doing so effectively increases trust, which the speed at which goals can be achieved. Leading an entire organization when knowing the organization's type can be beneficial too. You can understand the normal tendencies by knowing its dominant type. You can help department heads to better understand this and to reach out to the atypical types to better understand how to utilize their differences. So, 3 personality tests with 3 different values. The bird test. Keep it simple. It's easy and fast with 4 birds. Myers-Briggs. I say it gets it right. It's the most recognized test used in education, business, psychology, and it involves 16 types and 4 preferences. And the Big 5. This is go big. 5 factors developed by researchers used primarily in academic research. See? There's something for everyone, everywhere. Have you been in an interview and nothing seemed to click? Learning personality preferences before the interview may have sealed the deal. Are you hoping to lead a team and want to better understand how others frame the world? Learning about type preferences will benefit you as well. And before hiring a personality coach or trying to change your type to fit the team or an entire organization, begin with this course to better understand people and their personality preferences. Now that you have a general understanding about what this class is about, let's take a few minutes to talk about the course structure. Overall, the class is broken down into 3 weeks. Week 1, know yourself. Week 2, know others. And week 3, moving from them to us. In week 1, we're really going to get to know ourselves better by analyzing our personality preferences using 3 popular personality tests and looking at those results through the lens of your favorite superhero. In week 2, we'll look outward at others through type preferences and discover how to identify types by their words and actions. After we look outward, we will turn back in to address common weaknesses associated with each type. In week 3, we'll take a higher level view and look at personality types in a team dynamic and across entire organizations. We will finish things off on a good note by highlighting strengths that are commonly associated with the types. Along the way, I will have various open source articles from academic journals that will give you a deeper understanding of the content. There'll be practice quizzes and rich discussions to supplement my lectures each week. Finally, this course is designed with a wide audience in mind, from the person interviewing for the first time all the way to the top of the company. You will have the option in weeks 2 and 3 to choose a peer review activity that corresponds to where you are in your career, the beginning, the middle, or advanced. My hope is that you will be able to apply the knowledge learned in a class in a practical way in your work. It is also my hope that through peer review, you'll gain valuable insights from those at your particular level. See, there is something for everyone. Now let's get started.